I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make clarified butter at home. Yes, it's the holiday season and everyone must have the clarified butter for your cookie, for your seafood, and especially for your pie crust. So to start, I'm using the 1 pound block unsalted butter, and it's much cheaper than using the 4 sticks. So like this one here is a 4 stick of butter. They charge you more for individual wrapping, which is no need because it's going to be all melted. So to have it easier way to melt, just slice it 5 to 6 pieces, will be easy to melt and to work with. And make sure you stove on the low. I'm using here two blocks, which is 2 pound butter, because I use a lot of clarified butter during the holiday. So on the low heat, and you're gonna let it melt completely. As you can see here, all the butter melt, and we're gonna bring it to simmer for a few minutes to separate the milk solid and the water from the butter. Perfect. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. So now it's completely separated. Turn off, and we're gonna move it on the side to cool down a little bit. Now you can skim the foam right away, but me, I like to leave it for 5 minutes to cool down a little bit, so it'll be easier to skim all the foam. Now you can use a spoon to skim the foam on the top, or you can use a small fine mesh strainer. Perfect. We're almost done skimming here, and look at the amount we get from the butter. And now we're gonna empty our liquid gold, and here you want to be very careful because you don't want to pour the milk solid and the water, the one in the bottom. I don't know if you can see them. It's a white bottom layer. Look at that beautiful pure liquid gold. Or if you have one of these turkey baster or a ball baster, will make your life much easier. And look how easy to work with. But if any of this white milk solid comes out, it's not good, so you want to make sure just a pure 100% liquid gold, which is butterfat. Ready to go in your fridge or on the counter. And in the fridge is good to go for 8 to 10 months, no problem. Counter 4 to 6 months, no problem. But it's not gonna last that long with me because I use it a lot in the during the holiday. So clarified butter. Enjoy your cooking, enjoy your baking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.